So hey everybody, what's going on? My name is Terry and welcome back to the channel. With everybody seeming to be changing platforms right now and everybody that I know seems to be going to Twitch right now, I figured I would upload a quick video showing you all how to essentially optimize your emotes for your affiliate stuff and also how to actually upload said emotes to your affiliate panel and everything and get that ball on the roll here. So without further ado, let's kind of just jump right in here, shall we? Alright everybody, first and foremost, no, this is not Photoshop, this is what I use. This is called Affinity Photo. It's fantastic, it's a one-time payment, no monthly cloud fee for whatever you want to call it, you know what I mean? Same thing here for Affinity Designer. This is what I use to replace Adobe Illustrator. So Illustrator here for Designer, and then Photoshop here for Affinity Photo, okay? But why do I have both these programs open? Well, I see a lot of people using software like, it's because it's free, like GIMP or something similar to this here to make their emotes and everything. And from a technical standpoint, you can, but it's kind of hard to work in a non-vector based environment. And what is a vector based environment? Well, a vector based image will essentially lose zero detail no matter how big you blow it up or how small you make it. And you might say, well, Terry, this right here in photo looks really good. Well, yeah, because it's zoomed out, but if I zoom in on it to work on said emote, it looks like crap. You can't see anything that has, like, you can't see details. Like, you can't really get in here and work on stuff, right? But if you have a vector-based program like Affinity Designer or Illustrator, or there's a free one, I think it's called the Inkscape, this right here looks the same, right? It looks nice and clean whenever it's zoomed out, but whenever I zoom in, I can see all the details to actually get in here and fine tune this emote to my heart's desire to however I want it to look. Okay, so now that that there is out of the way, folks, I'm going to actually pull up the dashboard and everything here. So what you want to do here, folks, of course, here's my following page for Twitch. I just have a bookmark here because I honestly never look at the home page like these days. But to get to your emote stuff, you want to click on your profile picture up here in the top right corner. You want to click on Creator Dashboard. Here's your dashboard. And guys, by the way, shout out to Twitch for doing this. I freaking love this. It's so great. I know, like, it's kind of, you either love it or hate it. Personally, I love the new dashboard. I think it's great. But you want to click on the hamburger menu up here in the top left hand corner. You want to go down to preferences, then click on affiliate. Then right here, folks, you want to click on emotes, and that is it. Now, for each tier, you have to have three different sizes: a 28 by 28, a 56 by 56, then the biggest one, which is, of course, a 112 by 112. All you got to do is just drag and drop the respective sizes into their own boxes. Give it a unique code. So, like, okay, here's the thing, folks. Affiliates apparently can't actually edit this for whatever reason. Okay, so like my emote prefix is hey it's 129, and then the unique code will be tied to that specific emote. Okay, so like if I, like this one here is hey it's 129 fine, because this is like a little Snapchat filter with a big mouth for me to say, oh, everything's fine. This here is hey it's 129 Dova, because I'm wearing a Skyrim style helmet. This one here is hey it's 129 fam, because this is my hit fam. Hey, it's like my Terrence logo, like it's my like stream mascot, Terrence. But this is my logo everywhere, so it's the hey it's 129 fam. You know what I mean? And you do the same thing here for each tier. So tier 1, tier 2, and tier 3. Just drag and drop each size into its respective box. There should be a save changes down here whenever you get done. And that's it. It might take a few days for them to get approved. I've seen people say it takes about a week or so sometimes to get approved, but mine got done in about 2 or 3 days. But of course, everything is different for everybody, so don't take my experience and say yours will be the same, because I can almost guarantee that it will not be. And there you have it, folks. Really simple. Now, I get asked about that all the time, and I know that it's kind of confusing to a person who's never done that sort of thing on Twitch before. And by the way, folks, if you're one of the people out there watching this who have finally hit your affiliate status, congratulations. I know you worked your butt off to get there. I'm so proud of you. Own it. Have so much fun and get all the emote spots you can with those sub points. I know you all can do it. But folks, look, if you have any questions about this process or anything on Twitch at all, do me a favor, comment down below. I'll even make a new video for you if you would like me to, and we'll just go from there, okay? But folks, look, you can always catch me live over on my own Twitch channel, twitch.tv/hey it's Terry. I'm live there Monday, Wednesday, Friday after 7 o'clock p.m. Central Time, USA, as always. And we'll sit there, play some games, just talk, whatever you want to do, okay? Folks, for real, love your beautiful faces. See you in the next video.